Hello everyone, today we are comparing Doogee S200 Max and Doogee S200 Plus. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two devices come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer 6.72 inches IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both phones are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Both mobiles come with 3 rear cameras and also 32 megapixel front cameras. Next compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.